Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to create a word automation service application in your SharePoint Subscription Edition, which is the newest version of SharePoint on-premises released. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened Center Administration of SharePoint Subscription Edition, and if you go in application management, you have the option of service application. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so here I go to new word automation service. I need to give it a name, word automation. I don't want to use an existing pool, so I'll create a new one, word automation pool, and I'm gonna check this proxy option and let's click on next. It has asked for database details, database name, so I'll put word automation finish. We're gonna wait here for a while. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it is completed. Let's go through it. I just clicked on it. This so file formats it is using disable embedded fonts if you want, percentage recycle threshold, scanning, disable conversation process number of frequency. So these are the default settings. If you want, you can modify, otherwise you can leave them intact. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.